What up, y'all? As you can see, I lost. Maybe I should have been more concerned about that bass boat. Anyway, I gotta knock him out. I'm gonna have to do some sets. Can't knock them all out at the same time. Whew. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the Fisherman Cut. To those of you that are wondering, I challenged my brother and my nephew to a bass tournament for the month of September. Biggest 5 fish wins. The catch must be recorded and weighed on camera. If it's not a pound, then it doesn't count. All those 3 criteria have to be met in order for you to get on the board. In this video, we're going to show how my big brother clutched the win.
Let's see what we get.
So like always, my bro is throwing the football jig with a Gary Yamamoto trailer. It's a little crawl. That's his go-to bait. One thing that I've learned from throwing a football jig and watching my big brother do this is it's very important to let it sink. Fishing at a place like Lake Mead or Lake Mojave, you're going to be fishing in deeper water, so it's important to let it sink. You might get hit on the way down or as you jig it.
Yeah. Got another little guy. Ain't got keep though. Calm down, calm down. Yep. Stop talking about. Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I heard that's that's my dog.
Let me get a weight on him first. Okay. 2.7.
Oh, missed him.
You missed him.
Missed him, dog.
Yep. Yep. Catch and weight on camera. This one's totally legit. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Did I tell you that fish, you was gonna get a fish here that was gonna beat your brother?
Yeah, you sure did.
That's about enough.
Hey.
1.8.
Yep. 1.8. 1.8.
You've been good at this. How I need my fishing attitude to be good. That's why I'm catching that.
All right, y'all, so clearly I lost. So basically, I challenged my brother and my nephew to a bass tournament. Biggest 5 fish of September wins. Winner wins 100 push-ups, 25 push-ups up front on camera, and the rest are on call. So basically, it doesn't matter what's going on. It don't matter if you just came from the gym, if you're tired, if you're eating or whatever. If the winner calls and says, hey, I want 2 push-ups, you gotta drop down and give him those 2. So I was hoping to be that winner, but unfortunately, I am not. My big brother won. He beat me by 2 pounds. 2 pounds, can you believe that? If any of you live in the South Carolina area, you know, between Florida, South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, if you have any suggestions for my nephew, because that's where he stays, he's getting into bass fishing and learning the area on places that he could fish. So if you know anything about that, please leave it down below and, you know, give him some tips. But yeah, I recommend that you guys do this with some of your friends or family or whatever. Challenge somebody to a friendly challenge, and not just money or whatever, but something where you could be like, hey man, before you eat that burger, let me get 3 push-ups. I don't know. I get great satisfaction out of it. Maybe you will too.
We on?
We on. Good job.
I'm not losing next time, my boys.
Yeah, I don't think you will. But anyway, maybe with your tips and suggestions, he could win. With that said, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And if I don't see you out on the water, I'll catch you next video. Peace out.